Hey guys, what's happening? How to use GoogleFit app. To use GoogleFit app, make sure to download it and sign in with your Google account. If you're in the Google ecosystem, that shouldn't be a problem. Set up your personal info, like height, weight, goals in your profile icon at the bottom right. Okay? And allow activity tracking. Okay? Then you can manually log workouts with the plus button at the bottom right. Okay, you can add a period, weight, activity, sleep, and all that stuff, and add like activities essentially. Okay, so you're gonna hit the plus button and you're gonna go ahead and add activity like walking or jogging or doing workout or whatever. Okay, and you can sync with other devices or and apps. Right, in my case, I'm using iPhone, so I'm gonna just sync using Apple Health. So I'm gonna hit turn on and just connect GoogleFit with Health automatically. Or if you're using Huawei, you could just go ahead and connect with Huawei Toolkit. Okay, and you can also view your daily goals, your weekly target, your heart rate, respiratory rate, track your cycle in Fit. You can also how much sleep you need depending on your weight, and also size. You can also view your hot points and activity summaries on the home screen and customize notification and goals in the right here. You can hit browse at the bottom right and make sure to customize notifications and goals to monitor your daily activity. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.